good haircut doesn't fail. Maintenance does. Most guys that get a clean fade and then 3 to 4 days later, it's gone. And that's not because the haircut was bad, but because nothing was done after. And that's where people slowly start looking off without realizing it. And you've probably had this before. Fresh cut, everything looks sharp, face looks clear, you feel more put together. Then a few days pass, the stubble comes back, line loses definition, and everything just starts to kind of blend into your skin. And straight away, you look like you need another haircut. But you really don't. Most people treat grooming like a full reset, but you don't. They wait until everything's fallen apart and then they go try fix it, instead of simply maintaining what's already there. And that's why they always feel like they're chasing it. And trust me, I know this because I used to do the exact same thing. I'd get a fresh cut, leave it for a few weeks, then wonder why I never stayed sharp and I looked like a mess 90% of the time. I thought it was a haircut problem. I thought I just needed more, but I didn't. I just wasn't maintaining anything between them. But now I keep it simple. There's a few small things that I do that keeps everything looking fresh without a full reset. The first thing is a lineup. This is what keeps the structure of your face. If this goes, everything goes. So I just clean the edges. I keep it completely natural, and I do enough to bring back the definition that I had before, just following all of my natural lines. Then I remove any regrowth. This is what makes your skin look dull and your beard look messy. Most people, they leave this way too long, and that's what ruins their look. Just cleaning this alone makes a massive difference. But for that extra sharpness, I like using a straight razor. It's a game changer. It makes your skin look so much more clear, and it also just gives you so much more contrast. It's a lot easier than it looks using one, but it's something that every guy should know how to. Now for the areas that you can't see properly, especially around the beard here and your neckline at the back, I keep it simple. I don't like to do any risk. I use a 3-way mirror. Nothing complicated at all. It just lets you stay consistent and precise without guessing. Now I'm not trying to recreate a haircut at all, and that's when most people mess up. They take it way too far. I'm simply just maintaining what is already there. Light touch, controlled, not overdoing it. This isn't about cutting your own hair. It's just about not letting things drift between your haircuts.